Phakathi semkhondo siphinde sibonge ku-comrade uCommander Thandeka uyena uchairperson of the session yanamuhla. Sibonge futhi kwabezindaba abaphumelele ukuthi bafike. Ngibingelele kuma-commander kanye nomphakathi one-interest kule media briefing. Sichazile uComrade uCommander uThandeka ukuthi kungani ukuthi silapha. Kunama-issues akhona emkhondo esithi uma siwumkhonto wesizwe sawabona sasondela emphakathini sithi sizo-address umphakathi ngoba bayabona siyagijima phansi but abanye banokudideka ukuthi kwenzakalani. So sithi asenze le media briefing because siyi-organisation e-transparent, i-organisation e-accountable to umphakathi. Yingakho sithi asenze le media briefing sizo-highlighta kwamanye wama-issues esibhekane nawo. So lapha kwami ngiphethe i-media briefing statement ezoba available ngesizulu nayo English kodwa okwamanje sizoyithula nge-English. Firstly, the MK Party Mkhondo sub-region would like to thank and appreciate the community of Mkhondo for demonstrating great confidence in the MK Party. On the 29th of May 2024, the community of Mkhondo went out in majority and voted for the MK Party. As a result, the MK Party in Mkhondo sub-region is the best performing sub-region in the whole of Mpumalanga province because we are the only sub-region that maintain a percentage more than 50%. We kindly ask those who voted for the MK Party in Mkhondo sub-region to continue to do so that the people of Mkhondo can finally be liberated from poor service delivery, unemployment, poverty, and in any oppressive and regressing system. We have gathered here today to address a few issues and concerns affecting the community of Mkhondo. These, amongst others, include lack of residential sites at RDP houses, lack of water supplies in all wards, the need for a police station at Tandukanya, where there is rampant crime, the establishment of the TVET College in Mkhondo, the establishment of the agricultural campus in Mkhondo by the University of Mpumalanga, and employment opportunities. Before we give a perspective on the above issues, the MK Party in Mkhondo sub-region take note of the recent visit by the Mpumalanga Provincial Legislature under the slogan, taking legislature to the people. The MK Party can only confirm that this was an attempt by the ruling party in Mpumalanga province to campaign in Mkhondo using state resources given the unfixable damage done by the MK Party on the 29th of May 2024. This camouflaged campaign was demonstrated during the build-up, where community members were called into various community halls by some of the ANC councillors and told them what to ask and which issues not to ask. Again, we thank the community of Mkhondo municipality for standing firm and refused to be used as stooges for defending this failed government. The MK Party in Mkhondo sub-region can only confirm for standing firm and refuse to be used as stooges for defending this failed government. The MK Party in Mkhondo sub-region can only confirm that this visit has exposed the ruling government on their incompetence to finish projects. This includes the unfinished boarding school in Ward 9, the unfinished clinic in Ward 13, which was budgeted for 150 million, but now is sitting at 480 million. The unfinished agri-hub and other unfinished projects. Going into the issue of sites and RDP houses in Mkhondo municipality. As indicated, the shortage of sites and RDP houses in Mkhondo municipality is a serious concern and calls for an urgent intervention. In Mkhondo municipality, many community members want to be independent by leaving their parents' and grandparents' houses, but they can't because there is no land to start their own lives. In fact, there is land, but the incapacity and unwillingness of the municipality to provide sites for the community of Mkhondo is affecting the lives of people of Mkhondo. The issue of site has been dragging for many years and it must be resolved speedily. Urgent time frames must be tabled by the Mkhondo municipality so that the community of Mkhondo can know exactly when they are supposed to have access to sites. Time is against us. The young ones are becoming youth, the youth is getting older, the older ones are nearing their end on this earth and still living at their parents' houses and at the back of their parents' houses, leaving their children with no place to call a home. to call a home, and this cannot be tolerated anymore. There is no dignity to renting a house. There is no dignity to living at your parents' and grandparents' house when you have means to be independent and start your own family. We are calling all those who are affected, from educators, police force, doctors and nurses, correctional services employees, justice employees, self-employed, all employees in retail businesses, and all government employees in all departments to stand up and demand what is due to them. The issue of land is a primary interest for Umkhonto we Sizwe. For people to be liberated, they must own a piece of land. The MK Party will be conducting thorough consultative process regarding the issue of sites from all stakeholders, and this will be followed by a mother of all marches in the month of October, where Mkhondo municipality will be given an ultimatum to distribute residential sites to the community of Mkhondo. As the MK Party in Mkhondo sub-region, we are saying that a minimum of 1,000 sites must be distributed between 400 square meters and 500 square meters so that everyone who qualifies can benefit. The land is there, the municipality must move with speed and commission this process. Going to the shortage of water in Mkhondo local municipality. Water is a need. Without water, no person is expected to live a healthy lifestyle. However, the MK Party in Mkhondo sub-region take note that Mkhondo municipality is not prepared to take this matter serious. To be specific, the community of Solomkhizeville, for example, has been raising concerns for many years, and instead of the situation getting better, it is getting worse. There is no proper planning and indication when this issue will get resolved. There are many contributing factors to this crisis. One of them is the lack of understanding on what needs to be done by the management of technical services. When faced with such a challenge, there must be a documented strategy on how this problem will be solved and on how to get funding. The MK Party in Mkhondo sub-region will also look at possible solutions and propose those solutions to the municipality. This issue of water supply does not only affect Solomkhizeville, but the whole of Mkhondo, including farm areas. Moving to the new police station at Mkhondo municipality. Mkhondo municipality is one of the municipalities with the highest rate of crime in South Africa. Recently, Mkhondo municipality has been included amongst the top 30 municipalities in South Africa with the highest number of rape cases. In addition, in the recent years, Mkhondo has seen the rise in crimes such as robberies, housebreaking, and theft. Most of these crimes took place at a Thandukanya location. Therefore, the MK Party in Mkhondo sub-region is calling for the Minister of Police and the MEC for Safety and Security in Mpumalanga to budget and commission for the establishment of a police station at a Thandukanya location. We have plenty of land owned by the municipality at Thandukanya and underutilized government buildings, which can be used as a satellite police station for now. We also note that in Solomkhize there is a satellite office, however, there's not even a single van which is operating there. Therefore, we call for the Minister and the MEC for Safety and Security to provide at least 2 vans that will be rotating around the Solomkhizeville. This will increase the visibility of the South African Police Service Force in the township area and thus reduce this rampant criminal activities. Going to the issue of the establishment of the TVET College in Mkhondo municipality.
Okay, ngicela ukuthatha izandla. Ngicela ukuthi imibuzo yethu sikhiphe ibe mfishane, ingabi mide kakhulu, uzokhona ukuphendula. Sesibonela nesikhathi, sizominimize isikhathi. Ngiyabonga. Ngaphambi sezandla. Number 1 Bhuti, number 2, number 3, number 4. Ngizongena kweyinamba zenu.
Sanibonani. Igama nguMondlo Masibanyo, 18 but 18. Mthanda ukubonga nge-status kuyi-brief ekhishwa umphathi ngaphambili. Siyabonga kakhulu. Siyathembela kini Mkhonto and siyawubona umsebenzi wenu kakhulu. La nihambe khona kuyasala kubonakala ukuthi seninyathekile. Siyayibona ama-light elokishini njengoba la nishilo naseSolomkhize kunama-light ebebawafakile bebanganakekeli but manje sebawalungisela right. Angifuna uku-add kakhulu. Kune-complex bebayenza eDriefontein before ukhetho lamakhansela enyakeni edlule. Bayigubha lapha kwaselibrary but ukuthi mase kudlula ukhetho bayiyeka leyo ndawo until today ayikenziwa leyo moto. Okwesibili, i-police station sinayo eRandeni but incane ayinele lo mphakathi kuleyo ndawo. Okwesithathu, kunengane eseward 18 incane ina 7 years iphila nokukhubazeka ikhona ukuhamba. Umama wayo uthi uhambisile eklinikhi isikhathi eside but azange bamnakekela wazoyeka nokuyihambisa. Ihola imali yegrant hayi disability. Ayikwazi ukuhamba sithe masithi sifuna i-wheelchair emaklinikhi basitshela ukuthi kufanele ukuthi sifonele ku-provincial khona bakhipha khona ama-ambulance.
Ukuthi unenkinga yamanzi eDriefontein eSolomkhize. Mina ngakhona eDriefontein eWard 1. Inkinga yamanzi vele ikhona. Kodwa ngicela ukubuza ukuthi njenge-MK ingasinceda ngani mhlawumbe ukuthi sithole lamanzi maduzane ngoba sesizamile impela amakhanselini akhona endaweni hayi asiwathola amanzi. Abazi ukuthi bazothini kithi nabo badidekile. Ngicela ukubuza ukuthi i-MK ingasinceda yini, ingasilekelela ukuthi mhlawumbe sithole amanzi. Okwesibili, kunabantu la abanganayo indawo yokuhlala esesimeni esiright. So ngicela ukubuza ukuthi i-MK ingakhona yini ukulandelela ibatholele ukuthi ey'ntweni zabo ngoba bathi ba-apply kuma-RDP ukuthi how far abantu bama-RDP. Okwesithathu-ke kunabantu abamoshakalelwa izindlu kuye nesiphepha ngonyaka ophelile, if I'm not mistaken, October. Umasipala wafika wabanika amaseyili ukuthi bakhave bahlale okwesikhashanyana. Kodwa namanje labantu basahlala ngaphansi kwalawo maseyili. Ayikho inqubekela phambili sekuze kufika ezinye iy'mvula futhi asiboni inqubekela phambili. Ngicela ukubuza ukuthi mhlawumbe i-MK ingakhona yini ukuthi iyosifuzela kamasipala ukuthi sekubambile. Ngiyabonga.
La ekhaya siyazi ke la kuyathela khona emkhipha futhi kusala kushilo kufana nalapho nje khona ngibonga utshani kusala kuthotha ukudla kuningi futhi siyabonga abafowethu nje konke MK esibona ukuthi senzela bona sisaqhubeka sihamba kuyo le ndlela ngoba phela siyathi le ndlela esihamba kuyo isilula kodwa kungabi lula kwakhona njalo siyazi ukuthi sizoyinqoba futhi nga-MK. Mina ngisukuma nje igama lami ngumbekezeli ngokaMbhele Sibongo ngila eWard 12 la khona la Richards Bay. Umbuzo wami kahle kahle nje noma uncedo besidingayo kahle kahle kakhulu abantu base-12 bakhala kakhulu. Kukhona la kwathi khona sikhuluma ngendaba yey'tandi kusho ukuthi kusukela kudala vele kwakhulunywa ngey'tandi kunendawo engalona ezansi muwele eMangosuthu. Kusho ukuthi leyo ndawo leyo abahlali bangakhona ngoba sebaningi vele u-12 abakaze bawenzele lutho since kwenzeka izinto bafuna iy'tandi nabanye. So sake saya-ke sagcina sesingena khona be-chambers sikhona sihlala phansi kwakhulunywa kwathiwa no abantu akumele bakhe la ngoba mhlawumbe noma indawo yimbi kodwa ngokuyibuka kwethi i-right ngoba kukhona ezinye indawo abanye abantu abakhamba kuzo kodwa bagcina baba-appruvele babanikeza nogesi nayo yonke into. Kodwa sithe masikhuphuka laphana basitshela ukuthi iy'tandi zase-12 balikhuluma bona iqiniso bathi iy'tandi zase-12 zisemahashini namhlanje sisagcinga lokhu sisamile kufuneka le y'tandi and sigcine sathini abantu base-12 badinga ukuthi mhlawumbe kube nempendulo kakhulu ukuthi bagcine bazi ngale ndaba y'tandi zase-12 ukuthi le mahashini kahle kahle bazogcina bayitholile na iy'tandi zakhona.
La kuyisikole transport kunesikole sasemoyeni angazi ukuthi amakhilomitha okuthiwa umntwana uyawahamba anganani according to ukuthi azathole ibhasi ngoba kunendawo ngale ngaseHubu iy'ngane zakhona zihamba more than 29 kilometer ziya esikolweni ngenyanga. So okugcine 3 years back kunengane egcine ishonile njengoba kuziyimvula nje bawela umfula abana-transport yaqingwa lengane for 3 weeks iqingwa ingatholakali kwana izulu basesikolweni yajamba yona jamba umfula yagcine igcumukele emfuleni yatholakala vele seyonakele emva kwesikhathi. Inkinga-ke indlela yomgwaqo yindaba yomgwaqo bakhala ukuthi umgwaqo awukho but ibanga elihanjwa yiy'ngane zasemoyeni lide kakhulu alimukelekile but isikole transport sikhona. So besicela usizo nje lapho ekutheni mhlawumbe iphathi ngakhona ukungenelela sikhona ukusiza ley'ngane.